everyone, it's Tonya.kipe from Kipe Academy, and I wanted to share with you our Scholastic box that we got in the mail. So hang out with us while we unbox our books. We love buying books for our students. So another book to add to our collection. There was an old lady who swallowed a turkey. Click, clack, good nights. How to Catch a Mermaid. The Good Egg. Who were the Navajo Code Talkers? What was the Harlem Renaissance? A new Reina Ramos story? Where is Antarctica? And there's a pack here. Wildfire, Wild River, Ice Island, and Call It Courage. So a couple of the adventurous stories. So we love when you order books from Scholastic, and we love ordering from Scholastic as well to build up our library. So if you see our school code for ordering, you're more than welcome to add to that. And doing those orders, it gives us points, and we can use those points to buy more books or buy some resources for our school. So thank you so much for watching us unbox, and we hope you have a great day. Bye.